BL-CH430F USB-C to fast Ethernet adapter unboxing video. Let's take a look at the packaging. There is an Ethernet adapter model, physical picture, and related functions on the front. Fast Ethernet to Ethernet interface, multiple USB expansion ports, plug and play, supporting multiple systems. Let's unpack and take a look. Made in independent dust bag. The Ethernet adapter body has a delicate frosted texture. The Ethernet interface is a wired fast conversion interface. Remove the protective cap and use the standard USB adapter. And there are multiple USB expansion ports on the side. That's the end of this video.